Chevy's first-generation Camaro might just be one of the coolest cars ever created. Extremely fun to drive with plenty of power and striking good looks. These classics enjoy a cult-like following and provide one of the best ownership experiences on the planet. This spectacular Chevy wears a professional rotisserie restoration that features a number of thoughtful upgrades, which modernize both its performance and appeal. The transformation started at East Coast Muscle Cars, where its solid panels were thoroughly stripped, reworked to better than factory fit, and new floors married a modified transmission tunnel. Then, Viper Red base was accented with Dover White rally stripes and sealed in thick clear. Inside, you'll find a Deluxe White Houndstooth Interior that's one of the most stylish and functional cockpits to ever roll down GM's assembly lines. A traditional dash hangs a straight and crack-free pad. Above, a Detroit Speed instrument panel, autometer gauges, and a modern CD player. And the driver takes control through a Budnik steering wheel and color-keyed shifter. Under the hood, you'll find an updated LS1 small block that's rated at 400 horsepower. That all-aluminum mill is mated to a Tremec 6-speed and sends power to a 12-bolt with posi-traction and 411 gears. If you're in the market for a proven pavement bruiser that's a blast to show off and even more fun to drive, your search is officially over. This clean '69 Camaro mixes classic Chevy style with a ton of power and some of the best performance hardware on the planet. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.